guys, it's me, and I made a few contraptions here using a lot of redstone. Took a bit of time, but I called them cow compressors. So in here, you see that there are a bunch of minecarts and some cows. Well, the trick here is to grab all of their attention with the wheat, quickly get out, and guide them here. Where's the last one? There was one more. Must have escaped. Oh well. Well, anyway, after you get them all inside, you pull this lever, and you suffocate them. Afterwards, you go into the pen, and collect the sweet, juicy beef. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it for this machine. I mean, you could apply this to your world, I guess. Well, the only problem would be that the little baby cows you'd get in, and you get nothing from those. So I guess you could have a separate pen for that, but whatever. Right here is a much more complicated cow compressor. I don't think it's as good at the moment, because, well, the stragglers still come here. Well, anyway, I'm working on that, by the way, with these arrow dispensers. So anyway, in this one, you got a bunch of cows. You use your wheat to lower them into the next room, the compression chamber. Go into this corner, wait for them. Wait for them. Is that it? Put away the wheat and get out of here. Quickly climb the ladder before they escape back into the other room. Pull this. Damn it, one escaped. And slowly they will begin to suffocate. You made me look bad. I hate you. So afterwards, you pull this lever, come down here, and just wait. Cause I really got a long delay on the thing. You also make me look bad. Fat ass cow. And that's pretty much it. Now, I know I've been really inactive lately, so, I want to show you what I've been working on. Second, let me make my way over there, slowly. Almost there. Oh, that's an extremely griefed village. What's up with this? Whatever. This is my library. So this took me like maybe 4 to 5 hours, this huge part. That part down there, that took a few days. I kept destroying it and rebuilding it. Well, anyway, there's a little fake banner right there. Voted the best library in Minecraft, yeah. Confiscated items. This is the front desk. In here is a certificate. He lives here. He's the librarian. This is something different. That's part of this. Reference books, front desk. This is the Chamber of Minimal Knowledge, aka the normal library. Yeah, kind of small, huh? This is the next room. The Library of Eternal Knowledge. Note, please check out all books at the main desk. So, first part of it. It's just gonna fly through here. It's kind of big. The Chamber of Extremely Finite Knowledge. Next one. The Chamber of Decades of Knowledge. Let's see if I could skip this now. Chamber of Centuries of Knowledge. I think you kind of figured out the theme of these. The Chamber of Infinite Knowledge is this one. Yeah, and I know this is kind of weird because this is the smallest chamber. Well, not really. yeah, actually, yeah, really. So this is just an enchantment table. There's some stuff in there. And now I'm just gonna go show you something else. Just wait for it. It's gonna be kind of cool. Kind of. You know, an idea has occurred to me. I can fix this later. Here is a minecart ride. I'm not gonna bother to take it. You could just fly there a lot faster. And here is a water, so it's not really that cool, in my opinion. It says push lever or pull lever or push button for water sow. Push as many times in any pattern you want. Just wait for it. This is gonna take a while. Yay. Woohoo. Yeah, it's not really that cool, but kinda cool. At first I used lava, but then the whole thing burned down. Didn't work out very well. And I believe that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you the village. This is what happens when I get bored. So always keep me occupied. Oh my god, there's survivors. Thought they all died. You're freaking dead.